Welcome back to Primetime News, and again, a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, the Supreme Court has ordered mediation and set a trial date in the defamation case between Parliament member Darrell Vaz and People's National Party General Secretary Dr. Dayton Campbell. This development comes after a case management hearing with the matter adjourned until July 21. The court has given 90 days for mediation, which will end in May 2025. If the parties do not come to a conclusion, then they will go to trial, which is set for June 7, 8, and 9, 2026. The lawsuit filed by Mr. Vaz in August 2023 stems from comments made by Dr. Campbell at the PNP's Clarendon Northwest Annual Conference in July 2023. Mr. Vaz alleges that Campbell's statement suggested he lacked probity, moral integrity, and decency, and were motivated by malice to damage his reputation. Mr. Vaz is seeking damages for defamation, including exemplary and aggravated damages, as well as an injunction to prevent Dr. Campbell from repeating the statements. However, Dr. Campbell has denied the allegations, arguing that his statements were fair comment.